It's Daylite.
I know, okay.
That would've looked so good with the red. No golden hour for us. Just freaking almost dark hour. Hello people, it is me, Dejan. Before we get into this video, I just want to say, go ahead and hit that like button. Just go ahead and hit it. So this is the first shoot of my overdressed series where I have people in certain places that are overdressed. So we had Alexus in a suit at the beach. I wanted to do it 7:30ish. I wanted to get that golden light you get at the last hour of the day, but of course we got there and quickly the light left. We had a little bit at the very beginning, but then the clouds came in and yeah, so we had to do with what we had to deal with what we had, which was overcast. And you know, I like what we actually got and how it came out, so gotta be thinking, is golden hour a little overrated? I mean, we still did shoot at golden hour. We didn't get that golden light, and I still love the picture. So you watch the video and let me know what you think. See you at the end. You see me? You know how to move it? There you go. Yes, sir. Hold on. I'm gonna put this. I don't need to look cute. Let me just make sure it's working. Goodness gracious. We can start on these sand dunes. When I catch my breath, you know, I'm not the athlete I once was. You wanna stand right there? Practice. Hit me with one of these. Look that way. Is this your photo shoot? Like, my cat's burning, y'all. Are you surprised? Yeah. Why she have the surprise? Why she have the surprise voice? Like, wow, you know what you're doing with the, you know how to press the button well. Are you guys doing a photo shoot?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so great. Rodney, can you make it so you can see me? Like, what are you looking at? Oh, not me. Get behind me so you can see me and her. Yes, I need you to see me and her. Because I don't know what you was looking at. You was looking at the sky, we got.
It's just the sand.
It's always, yeah. Oh, this is fire. Here we go. Oh, goodness. Yeah, do that. Look away and grab your hair again. Bring your chin down. Like that. Can you bring your jacket down? Yeah. Beautiful. I was running around, yeah, that's what I do.
I was like trying not to laugh.
We don't got too much time. Do what we gotta do, baby. I get in the zone, boy. I'll be sore.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I'm about to shoot through the grass. Getting artsy. We gotta get artsy for the people. I like that. That's a long walk, Rodney.
We're already in for it. Let's go.
I'm going home. From up this high. That'd be cool. You just go like a little bit down. I'll bring those down with you. I don't want that boat in there, sorry. We'll just wait. Put your hand on yours, just like that. There you go. Look over here and just like close your eyes a little bit, like you're dreamy, very dreamy vibes. Now just stand like straight like this, like you're a freaking mannequin. Yeah. Arms at, yeah, normal, just normal like that. Fire. Where are you guys headed?
We're gonna go further.
Okay, cool. We'll be right with you in a second. We're gonna fuse two shoots. I don't think she likes the sound of that. All right, they're all in my way, like. Okay, I'll just Photoshop them. This is gonna be tough coming back up. What do you think?
Really?
That would have looked so good with the red. No golden hour for us. Just freaking almost dark hour. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Look out that way. Pretty. These are the money. That's cute. Let's do one where your hands are out a little more and you're kind of like you're praying, but not really. Face up just like that. Bring your hands closer to your face, just like that. I feel like I should do something with one of these signs with the red in it. Let's go back to this no trespassing real quick. And we'll just squat down next to it or something. Oh, this is dope.
Those look so good.
Do you want to do one where your feet's in the water? Are you okay with that? It might look sweet, it might not, but that's, you know, that's what art's about, it's trying. We won't go too far out.
This is literally up to my knees right now.
You can come forward if you want.
Yep. Hey.
Fire. All right, one away. Look away, yeah, look that way. Arms on your sides, just on your sides, there you go. Good, now come out. Hopefully those are cool, Rodney. Do you think they'll be cool? All right, stairs. Let's go. I'm not breathing hard, Rodney, that's you. You see me? You a funny guy, Rod. Oh, this is fire. Oh my God, this is fire. Sandy feet.
Sandy feet?
Mm-hmm.
Leave me alone.
Sandy Koufax. I hope you did good. I don't want to look back at the footage and be like, Rodney's fired. Got any more ideas, Alexus, that you want to do? This is the Ask the Model segment. What do you want? No one ever asks what the model wants. You know, it's always about me, me, me. Apt. What was you just looking at? What was you just looking at? Bruh, are you looking at boats and stuff? Like, that mosquito just tried to suck all the blood out of my body. Wow. Any more pics we take is on the way back. Let's go. Cause that was crazy. I felt him minding my skin. See me? Get the shoulder. Yeah. You feel me? There's no good, easy way to get this. All right, if I was a little. You feel me? I was built for this. I was built for this life. Don't play with me. I know you see the back of the shirt. Shout out Snow. We gotta shoot. Let's go. Snow team, hit me up. I'm trying to shoot. Let's go. Olivia, I thought you said we were done. Like, you keep saying that and you're not done. Like, you keep asking for more. I'm really confused. Sometimes it's better to just blame it on others. You know what I'm saying? That's the best policy. Non-accountability is the best policy. All right, this is the last time I'm deleting stuff to take more pictures. So we have 13 more left. All right, I'm done. I hope. Eventually we're gonna be at the car and then we have to be done. Would you guys laugh if I like fell and rolled?
Yeah.
Let's say I'm 2 years in my YouTube journey, I'm running out of content, I just start falling Gotta start manufacturing drama. Photo shoot, I fell on my ass. That's what they put in the caption. Can we do one where you're like, bro, stop. Just one more, just one more. Like this, okay? I don't know if I had to do all that, but it's easier to show.
No, I appreciate it.
Yeah. Rod, explain your outfit today. Let me see the camera. This is Rodney, this is the camera guy. It's very dark, so he wasn't doing his job. Hold on.
Whoa.
Great catch.
Explain your outfit, Rodney. We have the hoodie.
H&M hoodie.
We got the hat.
The hat.
Your granddad's glasses.
You okay?
So you can see me. It's a good shoot. Got some fire. Can you see me? I'm tired. I'm no longer an athlete. I'm an artist now. I can't be doing all this walking and, oh my gosh, there's people coming in? Some of those mosquitoes are trying to take my soul. It's crazy. So that was the shoot. I hope you guys liked it. I loved it. Shout out Alexus. She was great. That was my first time, you know, kind of controlling everything. Picked Alexus. I loved her look for it. Told her what to wear, how to do her hair, how to do her makeup, with jewelry. Obviously, I found the location. We didn't get the light we wanted to get, but that's all right. I still love the way they came out, and sometimes you can make magic with whatever you're given, and sometimes things don't always go the way you want it to go, but just got to learn to adapt, and that's what we did. We did a great job. I'm proud of us. That was my first time in a while, like I said, actually doing something for me. I've been doing a lot of client working gigs, but it's important for me to get back to doing what I love doing in the beginning and creating what I want to create. And I'm excited for the future of this channel and different things I got going on. So, you know, please like, subscribe, tell a friend if you like it. And I'm happy to be back. Peace.